no greater Ford racing story than Le Mans. It's full of history, excitement, and wonder. And we're deciding to return to Le Mans with our most iconic nameplate.
People have memories of Mustang from the time they were 16 and learned to drive all the way to their last car. Very few cars have the heritage that Mustang does. Going to Le Mans and showing all those people who love Mustang around the world that this new Mustang is not only a very credible Mustang, it's the very best Mustang yet, and it's going to race and win just like all the others.
I'm proud to introduce to you the Mustang GT3. It's a Mustang that brings years and years of heritage into the future. Set to inspire the hearts and minds of an entire new generation of Mustang fans. Now, who's ready to go racing with Mustang at Le Mans?